Like, if there was one thing to take away, it would be that insects as a food in the West are here to stay, and they're, as a category, getting bigger and bigger. And they provide a sort of really compelling suite of benefits to any company that's looking to incorporate them into a product. I think it's most sort of fascinating just to see like the level of awareness that people are starting to have about the importance of sustainability, and the conversation seems to have shifted away from whether consumers want sustainability to how to deliver it. And people are talking about making decisions which are going to cost their businesses money in the short term, but they know that in the long term they're going to lead to big benefits for consumers and for the environment and for their own business. There's scope for innovation across the entire supply chain, and we've seen things from people who are making consumer products all the way to people who are making ingredients that end up just as one item on the ingredients label. And all of those are just as important in trying to make a more sustainable future. Very much.
Could you just describe the first experience of eating a bug? And look at him.
Yeah, I guess when I first ate a bug that I remember, I'm sure I ate a lot when I was a little kid, was at a science museum in my hometown. And they had some, I think it was crickets that were like cheese flavored or something. And I was expecting it to be gross, and it was kind of gross, but the gross thing about it was the cheese flavor rather than the cricket. And since then I've eaten a lot more exciting stuff made with insects, from like dishes that have been made by famous chefs from famous restaurants through to stuff we've just whipped up in our own kitchen. And generally things taste a lot better than that first attempt. We've kind of like been fortunate enough to have a lot of invitations to speak at various different places. I've even spoken at a conference specifically about edible insects out in the Netherlands. So it's something a lot of people are excited to hear about.